After posting my YouTube short on Streamlabs Nitro, people asked me to post a detailed video on it. So here we are. Go to Streamlabs official page and create a new Streamlabs account. After that, you can skip this part. There are 3 months Nitro mentioned on the right-hand side, but you can't claim it. First, merge it with a social media platform, and there we go. Now you can claim your free 3 months Nitro. I will copy and paste the link in my Discord server's mail channel. You can join my server and claim the free Nitro easily. Those who say it's fake, well, read the official article from Discord first and then comment.